Canva Template Business, create digital products and sell them online. Hello, and welcome back to 100 Ways to Make Money Online, the audiobook series where we explore practical and beginner-friendly ways to build income using the internet. Today, we're going to explore a business model that combines creativity, technology, and digital products. It's called the Canva Template Business. Imagine creating a digital product today and making it available to customers around the world. No warehouse, no physical inventory, no packaging, no shipping. And because it's a digital product, the same template can potentially be sold again and again. Sounds interesting? Let's discover how it works. Imagine you're a small business owner. You need attractive Instagram posts, promotional flyers, presentations, price lists, or business documents. You could spend hours designing everything yourself. Or you could purchase a ready-made template, customize the colors and text, and have a professional design ready in minutes. That's the problem a template business solves. A Canva template is a pre-designed digital layout that customers can customize for their own needs. The customer gets convenience. You create a useful digital asset, and your online store can generate sales without you physically producing anything. So what can you create? The possibilities are enormous. You can create Instagram post templates, Instagram story templates, YouTube thumbnail templates, Pinterest templates, resume and CV templates, business proposal templates, presentation templates, media kits, planners, calendars, checklists, worksheets, invoices, price lists, men's wedding, invitations, real estate marketing templates, social media content calendars, ebook templates, and many other digital products. But here's the most important lesson. Don't create templates just because they look beautiful. Create templates that solve a specific problem. Let's say you choose real estate agents as your target audience. A real estate agent may need property listing posts, open house announcements, social media stories, business cards, and promotional flyers. Instead of creating random templates, you can create a complete real estate marketing kit. Now your product has a clear purpose. The first step is to choose your niche. A niche is a specific group of customers you want to serve. Instead of saying, "I sell templates for everyone," choose a specific audience. You could target teachers, coaches, YouTubers, fitness trainers, restaurants, photographers, freelancers, real estate agents, beauty professionals, small businesses, wedding planners, or content creators. A specific niche makes it easier to understand what your customers need. The second step is to find a problem. Ask yourself, what does this audience do repeatedly? For example, YouTubers need thumbnails, teachers need worksheets, restaurants need menus, coaches need workbooks, real estate agents need property marketing materials. Small businesses need social media content. These repeated tasks can become opportunities for digital products. The goal is to save your customer time. The third step is to create your template. This is where Canva becomes useful. You can create layouts with text, images, shapes, graphics, and branding elements. But remember, your template should be easy to customize. Don't make it unnecessarily complicated. Use clear fonts, keep enough space around important elements, make the structure logical, and make sure the customer understands how to edit it. Before selling anything, test your template yourself. Imagine you're the customer. Can you easily change the text? Can you replace images? Can you adjust colors? Can you understand how the template works? If the answer is yes, you're moving in the right direction. The fourth step is to create a product bundle. One template can be useful, but a carefully designed bundle can provide much more value. For example, instead of selling one Instagram post template, you could create a social media starter pack containing 30 Instagram posts, 15 Instagram stories, 10 promotional designs, 5 quote templates, and a content planning calendar. The customer gets a complete solution, and you have created a higher value digital product. The fifth step is to choose where to sell. There are several ways to sell digital templates online. You can use marketplaces such as Etsy, build your own website, use digital product platforms, or use your existing social media audience to promote your products. You don't need to start everywhere. Choose one platform, learn how it works, create quality products, and then expand later. The sixth step is to create attractive product listings. Your product listing is extremely important because a customer can't physically touch a digital product. Your images need to show exactly what they're buying. Show several examples, explain what's included, mention the number of templates, explain how the customer receives the product, and clearly communicate who the product is designed for. Instead of saying, "beautiful templates," say something more specific, such as 30 editable Instagram templates designed for real estate agents. Specificity makes the product easier to understand. The seventh step is to market your products. Creating a product is only half the business. You also need people to discover it. You can create Pinterest posts showing your templates, make YouTube videos teaching your target audience, publish Instagram Reels demonstrating how quickly a template can be customized, create helpful blog articles, and build an email list. Here's an important strategy: teach first, sell second. If you sell templates for small businesses, create content such as 10 Instagram content ideas for small businesses. Then show how your templates can help implement those ideas. You're not simply advertising. You're demonstrating the value of your product. The eighth step is to build a product library. One of the biggest advantages of digital products is that you can continue expanding your catalog. Start with 5 templates, then create 10, then 20. Then create bundles and products for related customer problems. Over time, your store can become a library of digital resources. But remember, quality is more important than quantity. One useful product is better than 50 products nobody wants. Now let's talk about how much you can earn. This is where you need realistic expectations. There is no guaranteed income from selling Canva templates. Some creators make occasional sales, while others build substantial digital product businesses. Your results depend on demand, product quality, niche selection, competition, pricing, marketing, customer service, and consistency. Digital products can be scalable, but they are not automatically passive. You still need to research customers, update products, answer questions, market your store, and improve your offerings. Before selling Canva-based templates, always check Canva's current licensing terms. Not every element available on a design platform can automatically be resold in every format. Also, avoid copying another seller's designs, logos, illustrations, or branded content. Create original products and understand the rights associated with any assets you use. This is an important part of building a legitimate, long-term business. So, if you're starting from zero, here's a simple plan. Day 1, choose one niche. Day 2, research 10 problems your customers have. Day 3, choose one problem. Day 4, create your first template. Day 5, create several related templates. Day 6, turn them into a bundle. Day 7, create your product listing and publish it. Then start creating useful content to attract potential customers. Don't wait until you have 100 products. Start with 1. Learn from the experience, then improve. Now imagine what could happen over the next year. You start with 1 template, then you create 5, then 10, then 20. You discover which products customers prefer. You improve your designs. You build an audience. You create bundles. You develop a recognizable brand. And eventually, your small template project could become a larger digital product business. That is the real opportunity. You're not simply selling a Canva file. You're building digital assets that solve problems. So remember these 5 principles. Choose a specific audience, solve a real problem, create useful and easy-to-edit products, market through valuable content, and keep improving. You don't need to be a professional designer to start. You need to understand your customer. Because the best digital products aren't necessarily the most complicated. They're the ones that make someone's life easier. Thank you for listening to episode 10 of 100 Ways to Make Money Online. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe to the series because we're continuing our journey through 100 different ways to make money online. In the next episode, we'll explore another digital income opportunity and discover how a simple skill can potentially become an online business. Until then, keep learning, keep creating, and keep building. Because your first digital product doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be useful enough for someone to say, "This can make my life easier."